Zhejiang Jinggong Robot Intelligent Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise that takes robot-related technology at its core and provides holistic solutions for digitized manufacturing. Its business scope covers three major sectors: new material equipment, automated equipment with intelligent robots, and health disease prevention machine. Jinggong Robotics now has a professional R&D team and has developed a complete high-end equipment supply system, integrating independent core technology, core components and core products, providing customers with digitized and intelligent manufacturing solutions covering the entire production. The company provides users with the best systematic solutions for demand analysis, program planning, engineering design, equipment, manufacturing, installation and testing, technical training and after-sales service.